Year 4s, welcome to another fun-packed video of mathematical instruction. We are looking at the subtraction algorithm today. So we'll start with 76 minus 32. Now, when we do a subtraction algorithm, just like addition, we start with the units. So we start with 6 minus 2. And because we're clever mathematicians, we know that 6 minus 2 is 4. So I put a 4 in the ones column. Then I do my tens. So that's 70 minus 30. And because we are clever mathematicians, we know that 70 minus 30 is 40. So I'll put a 4 in the tens column. So I'll get my answer of 44. So this next one we've got is 31 minus 17. Now, one of the things that we'll notice straight away is that in the ones column, we have the bottom number is smaller than the top number. Now, to do that, we need to go back to what we know about place value. Now, we know that 31 is equal to 30 plus 1. We also know that it's equal to 20 plus 11. Now, we're going to come back to that, so I'm going to leave that on the side there. And we're going to look at 1 minus 7. Now, we can't do 1 minus 7, so we have to rearrange the 31 so that whatever we've got in the ones column is larger than 7. And that's what we've done over here. We've rearranged 31 into 20 and 11. So I'm going to mark that on my algorithm. I'm going to put a little 1 there to make that 11, and I'm going to cross that out and make that a 20. Now, I want to show you the connection between that 11 is that 11, and that 20 is that 20. 20 and 11 is the same as 31. Now, I redistribute the numbers to allow me to do the subtraction. So now I can go 11 minus 7 is 4. So I put a 4 in the ones column. And then I've got 20 minus 10, which is 10, so I'll put a 1 in the tens column. So that's how you do the vertical algorithm. Have fun, and I'll see you next time. Now, before we actually go, I'm starting a little competition with Mr. Hubel's classroom. Somewhere in here, I've made an error. See if you can find it and let me know. Yeah. See ya.